Everyone, WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business are two different types of platforms within the WhatsApp platform. And the thing to keep in mind here within WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business is that these two types of applications are similar, but they're very different. So the first thing to keep in mind, WhatsApp is basically only essentially used for personal use. Meaning if you're going to go through and use WhatsApp, well, WhatsApp is mainly used to, basically message friends, family, individuals, people like that. That is mostly what WhatsApp, the personal version of WhatsApp, is mainly used for. With WhatsApp Business, this is used primarily for businesses trying to communicate with their customers. So if you think about if you're a business and you want to go ahead and have like a customer chat bot, or you want to go ahead and have customers message you on WhatsApp so they can, talk about business, and you have a team of people who are, trying to message back via WhatsApp. Well, WhatsApp Business is the one you want to go ahead and basically get. So I'll give you some examples. If I'm a personal person, right? I'm a personal person, but let's just say I'm one individual person and I want to, let's say I just want to message some of my friends and call my family. WhatsApp Personal is the one I would use. To sending messages, photos, having fun, group chats, putting up status updates and location sharing and contact sharing. You can do all that within the personal version, the standard version of WhatsApp. When you want to go and start considering WhatsApp Business is if you own a business and you're basically going to try to create a business profile on WhatsApp where you can go ahead and kind of manage your business via WhatsApp. Now, if I am a single person and I own a small business, should I go ahead and get WhatsApp Business immediately? Well, it completely depends. If your business primarily relies, if you're already kind of using WhatsApp for your business, well, if you want to streamline your interactions and basically be able to promote your products and services, WhatsApp Business allows you to create a business profile so it's a little bit more professional. You can catalog and showcase your work with images, descriptions, and prices within WhatsApp Business. You have greeting messages, away messages. You can label messages within WhatsApp as well. And you can even generate short links for your business that customers can click on and kind of run straight into via WhatsApp Business. So you do get more functionality and more business-centered focus, tweaks inside of WhatsApp Business. But I will say, for the most part, if you're a small or large business, if you're a small business, I still think even the free version of WhatsApp is probably good enough. But if you're a larger business, I've seen some pretty big businesses take advantage of WhatsApp Business. And that is basically the main, area where I'd probably recommend a majority of people to basically, if you're a business owner and a large business at that, then I'd recommend getting WhatsApp Business. But for everyone else, I would just get the standard version of WhatsApp. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.